In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Amazon Prime membership. So, if you've decided that it's time to take a break from Amazon Prime, don't worry. It's a straightforward process, and I'm here to guide you every step of the way. Before we begin, make sure you're logged into your Amazon account on a laptop or desktop for the best experience. While it might look a bit different on mobile devices, the steps are quite similar. Now, let's jump right in. First, you'll need to navigate to the Your Account section. This acts as the central hub for all your Amazon settings and preferences. From the home page, you can usually find this in the top right corner. Once you're there, look for the option marked Your Prime Membership. This will take you to the page where you can manage all aspects related to your Prime subscription. Take a moment to explore this page as it offers a wealth of information and options concerning your membership benefits. Next, we move on to managing your Prime membership. On the Prime membership page, you should see something that says Manage or an option labeled as Update, Cancel, and More. Go ahead and click this. This section is crucial as it provides you with all the tools and options to adjust your membership details, upgrade your plan, or, most importantly for today, cancel your membership. Once you've clicked on the relevant option, it's time to proceed to ending your membership. Look for an option that says End Membership or something similar. This is where you'll begin the actual cancellation process. Clicking this option is essentially your way of telling Amazon you want to stop your Prime services. Keep in mind that Amazon occasionally introduces enticing offers to persuade you to stay, such as discounts or trial extensions, so be prepared for some possible temptations along the way. Finally, you'll need to confirm your cancellation. After selecting End Membership, follow the prompts as they guide you through the final steps. Amazon will likely ask you to confirm your decision once or twice just to be sure. Read through any information presented, as it will clarify what happens next regarding your benefits and potential refunds. Once you've provided the necessary confirmations, your cancellation will be complete. And there you have it, your Amazon Prime membership has been successfully canceled. Don't forget to check for any confirmation emails that may have been sent to you. These contain essential details about your cancellation. Also, remember you can always restart your membership should you decide to return at a later date. I hope this guide was helpful. Thank you for watching and take care.